Welcome to Millie Shore. We're Grandma's granddaughter, so we're going to be making something with Play-Doh. We can maybe mix. Can we mix the colors, Lise?
No.
No. So we can't mix the colors, but we can make things out of it, and we have chips. We might do the hot Cheeto challenge without no water or nothing. And see who gets the most. It's about 10.
And we're twins because we're the same pajamas.
Oh, yeah. So let's get started. I just want to you guys can see enough. Yeah, like that. Yeah, like that.
I got orange Play-Doh and she has blue Play-Doh.
This is I like blue. My favorite color.
I'm gonna use this color next.
Oh, I want to use that color.
Fine, I use yellow. I use yellow. So then there's yellow. There's the colors that came with were orange.
So orange, guys.
Like a greenish color, a blue, and then green.
And then I think we have a surprise release in our Play-Doh. I feel something very squishy, you guys. I wonder what that is. Oh my gosh, it's Spike. Look, we found Spike in there.
Cool. Okay, guys. So we're going to hide stuff inside the Play-Dohs, and we're gonna give it to each other. They're gonna try to squish it and guess what's inside there.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go.
So right now I found one. There's each one has a toy. So Annalise is gonna do mine. And these are the toys right here. And you're gonna put there, and I'll close my eyes. So yeah, close my eyes. So you guys watch me. Usually when you do it this way, you can see, but this way you can't because your palms are covering your eyes.
I'm trying to make it like a ball so you can't see it.
And I gotta try guessing what it is. If I get it wrong, then I have to try. If it's big, Annalise.
Okay. It's right there. It's right here.
Oh. So. I don't know what it is. You guys just seen it. I just can't see it. It's a pony. Oh, it's a dog.
It's a pony? What the heck?
I was so close, I thought it was a pony.
She got the P right.
Because this is a pony, I thought she put that in there.
Oh.
But she actually put a dog.
Okay, next.
I'll do yours now.
Okay, wait.
Or you want to do 2 for me, and I'll do 2 for you.
I'm going to do 2 for you, and then we can take turns like that, okay?
Okay.
So close your eyes. I'm going to use the yellow Play-Doh next.
Okay.
This is going to be a tricky one.
Oh, no. Don't make something big. Oh, yeah, make it big. Because I know what you're going to try putting in there. I think I know.
Here.
Okay, so. What the heck? Is this the pony thing? Whatever it is? I don't know what that is, but. There's nothing in here!
Oh my God, open your eyes.
What the? It's a bra. No, use clothes. You messed up the clothes.
No, don't mix the Play-Doh.
Don't use clothes, okay?
Okay.
My turn.
Wait, let me collect all my Play-Doh. Oh my God, I just mixed up some Play-Doh.
Put that Play-Doh in there.
Collect all the blue
Oh my gosh, the yellow one and the blue.
Oh my gosh. Let me get this up.
Ew.
There we go. I'll throw this piece away.
So, wait till you guys, we're gonna wait till my turn, so. Okay, we're back, and I just got the Play-Doh ready for Annalise, so she's gonna try guessing. Don't look at the color, so. Make sure you get that.
Wait, let me collect all the Play-Doh. Okay. Okay, now let me guess. I see. The necklace.
Oh, she guessed it! You must have seen it!
I did? I got it right?
Yeah.
No, it's because I felt it, how it was.
Okay, my turn.
Wait, let me collect all the Play-Doh.
Bye. Again, we're back. And Annalise is gonna go, so right now she's back again.
Did you put it in there?
Yeah. No, look. Now you can't look. Wait, put it to the camera, but like that, and just try to leave it.
Wait, right here?
Yeah.
Oh, that hurted. Ah! Are you serious? A lollipop. ice
Little
cream
lollipop.
The ice cream thingamajig.
You got it wrong. But you got it right in a second. But you didn't. So you got 1 point. It's 1 right to 0.